Morning, good morning, happy Monday. How's everyone doing today? Ooh, we have a little gap here. Gap and go looks like it. We had data coming up. Let's see. Data at 10, maybe? Yes? Oh yeah, we have data at 10. That's like in 1 minute, and then we're good to go. Awesome, awesome. Okay, 4:55, this level here, this little level here that we need to watch on the queue. Let's go like this. It's till 4:56 also, because look at these here, 4:56, 4:56, and so it can be 4:55 or 4:56. So far our morning high is near 4:55 and 5:48 for SPY. We have Nvidia holding 105, which is an important level for Nvidia. I will say the main watch is 110. Morning, Greg. IWM looking strong so far. 210 and 212 are the main levels that I'm looking to play rejection off of IWM. What are you guys watching for today? Am I looking too short? You have my answer on my watch list on my Discord. Mm -mm -mm. I post that what I'm looking to play today, so you guys are ready for the stream. Morning, morning. Remember that we are on a very strong downtrend, but it's normal to have a green day, right? A bounce day. So that's what I'm waiting to see, if it's just gonna be a green day or if we're gonna reject any strong resistance. Quantity of trade of it? I don't know what you mean on quantity. At what time is the Apple? I think Apple has an event today, right? Or iPhone or something like that. I'm doing awesome. Doing pretty good. I'm a little bit sleepy, won't lie. I won. Thank you, Greg. But I'm super excited for it today. Morning. Yeah, news on iPhone's gonna be at 1. So obviously at 1 I won't be here. I won't be trading. But expect some moves on Apple. I didn't play any Pickleball this weekend. I went to the beach all weekend. IWM so far is very strong. We have Spy in the queue doing pretty much nothing. Microsoft looking very weak right now. Ooh, Meta 510, rejecting 510, 511. That could be a good short play. It's already Q4. Can you guys believe it? The year is almost done. Q4 is when you have a bunch of like a bunch of drop shippers, gurus, posting videos how rich you can get in like 1 month doing drop shipping. I like this reaction here on the Q. I think if we lose the VWAP, I'm gonna go short here on the Q. I like it's rejecting 455. We have a gap up here. It's right inside the Friday's daily candle. What I don't love is that Nvidia is holding support. So that can definitely mess up that idea. Why 4? Because I'm gonna trade with 4 accounts. No, I don't do drop shipping. I did Amazon FBA like, I don't know, like 5 years ago, something like that. It's too much work. Yes, you can have runners. The DCA rule is you cannot add after the first one. Like you can only add one contract after making the first buy. You can buy at the same time like 40 contracts as you want, and then you can sell 1, 2 on the way up or down. So DCA is not buying more than one contract after your first buy. But if you buy let's just say you buy 100 contracts, you're not at the same time, just one time 100 contracts, you're not doing DCA. Damn. See, Nvidia is looking pretty bullish. At least right now. When I say pretty bullish, it's like intraday at this time, at this moment. Is it still very bearish because you have a huge downtrend? Yeah, you need to have 30% consistency. What does that have to do with DCA? That has nothing to do with DCA. Guys, don't overcomplicate it. 30% 30% consistency rule is very easy to have. I have 30% consistency. It's just because they don't want to have they don't want you to buy like 100 contracts one day, you make a bunch of money, and the next day just buying, be in and out, and not do any real trades. So that way they don't have people that are your lowers. I don't know why it's so easy to it's very easy to understand. The Q is still rejecting 455, but Nvidia is holding very good above 105, which is support. We have Apple doing nothing, kinda looks like a bear flag, and Microsoft is rejecting the VWAP, but still holding, I would say, morning low. I like this rejection here again. I just don't like, for that trade, I don't like how Nvidia is holding support. The only thing that matters when it comes to trading a prop firm or your own money is just being consistent with having good setups. That's it. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. I got Nvidia calls 107 for this week. And my stop loss is gonna be under 104.80. Oh, and I need to change something on Tradezilla Friday's numbers, because I traded with 4 my funded futures accounts, and I put everything there, all 4 my funded futures account, but one of those accounts was a evaluation account, so I only traded with 3 funded accounts from my funded futures and 1 eval. How do I change that? Let's see. On trades, right? I think it's on trades. Yeah, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this one. I'm gonna delete 1 here. Yeah, done. So Friday was 2.5 pretty much. I still like this reaction. Oh yeah, if it goes under the VWAP, I'm gonna be in. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if we have any continuation here. Ooh, look, IWM rejecting 210. That could be another good one. We're moving very slow. Very, very slow. If Nvidia loses 104.80, 105, I think we can have a big move here to the downside, maybe fill the gap. Maybe. This 30-minute candle on SPY also started to look ugly. Anyone got that IWM reaction? That was perfect. Nvidia is holding. I think we need Nvidia to lose 105 for this to really play out. Come on, give it to me. Ooh, that Meta 511, 510 reaction was perfect also. But yeah, so far I really like this reaction here. The best entry was here. I think I got a little... My entry wasn't too good. I like it more here. This clear reaction candle at 455, which is my level. Well, we'll see. Okay, we're looking Gucci. Beautiful. I also got it with my funded futures with a little bigger size. I want to see the VWAP reaction here. Beautiful. Apple is not looking strong. Microsoft lost morning low, so it's looking pretty weak. Meta rejecting the VWAP. NVIDIA is the only one that it's kinda holding. Let's see if SPY is gonna lose the VWAP here. SPY bouncing. Kind of strong bounce on IWM, but still under 210. Okay, NVIDIA's looking weaker. I like that. Even though I'm I'm in NVIDIA calls, I like that for futures, for my futures trade. Okay. We're looking very good. We're looking very good. Are we gonna have this little gap fill here on the Q? The daily on the Q is looking ugly. Look at this. It is looking ugly. IWM is really fighting there. Let's see if the Q is gonna lose morning low. It's around this little, this little support here. That's the next one. Any of you on this trade with me? I don't know what NVIDIA is gonna do. Nobody knows if it's gonna break or not. We just need to wait and see and react whatever the market is doing. Okay, SPY is starting to look weaker now. We need a SPY to really lose the VWAP. Ooh, beautiful reaction there on IWM. Ooh. Okay. We're breaking that support on the Q. NVIDIA. It's right at my stop loss. Let's see if I see it breaking that. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out on NVIDIA. I don't like that. You can definitely bounce there, but I don't like it. We have SPY here, this little support also. So both the SPY and the Q have gaps below. I don't like playing the upside when you have gaps below. That happens, Sarkis, that happens. That happened to me once. I was playing... I think I was playing SPY, yes, but I was watching IWM. Nvidia also have... I didn't realize Nvidia also has a gap below, so... That was dumb of me trying to play the upside of Nvidia. Should I take all profits here? Kinda, but no. Still looking very weak. I'm thinking of maybe taking profits here and then just waiting for a break and retest to this level and keep playing the downside, but so far it's breaking that support. Oh yeah, it's still breaking that support. Now we need SPY to break this support, so we have also even more continuation. If Nvidia really lose one of where it is right now, we want to see Nvidia losing what it is right now and then fill the gap. That's gonna make the Q melt. Gonna make the Q melt down. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a trade. What a trade. That was perfect. That was perfect. SPY is still holding here. Nvidia is still fighting that 104.80, 104.70 level. But the Q is definitely very weak. Apple is weak. Microsoft very weak also. Meta ugly. 511, 510 reaction. That's it, guys. That was a trade. We're pretty much done for today. At least I am. It looks like the Q has a little bit of support here at 451.50. But still, we want to see now this level here acting as resistance on the Q. And I can see it has a little bit of support here. Not major support, but still, that's where we wick and bounce. We want to see now rejecting here. Oh yeah, this trade is looking beautiful. So far we have the Q rejecting here. Wait, I want to see a SPY losing this level also. Let's see what's the next main support here from the Q. I will say I can see a little bit of support here at 451, but I will say the main one is the gap. Definitely the gap. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely has support here at 451. Get this. Has a little bit here. And here also we have a little bit here. The entire gap fill is around here. It can be 458.50. But yeah. So those are the levels to watch out now on the Q. And as long as we keep breaking supports and rejecting those supports, I'm gonna keep holding. If I see any support acting as if I see any now resistance getting broken, that's a change of trend, at least intraday, and I'll be out. Oof. Oof. What a trade, guys. What a trade. Definitely the entry was here, but I'm not mad that I waited for a VWAP break. Nvidia is starting to lose it, which I really like. I really like. That's gonna make the Q just melt. Keep going down, melts down. Faster, way faster. Yes. Look at that. $544, very important level here for SPY. If reject that level, it's done so. Today was so clean. So clean. Pretty happy with this trade, honestly. Happy that I have the right level. Happy that I waited for that level of reaction. Happy that I waited for the VWAP reaction. Because why I didn't took the trade here? Because even though it showed me clear rejection of my level, at that time, first of all, this candle move at the beginning was looking very bullish, very strong, and Nvidia was holding very good. Nvidia was holding very good at support. We need SPY to lose this little support here. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. I'm waiting for SPY to show me if it's really gonna hold this level 544 or if it's gonna reject, because that's really gonna move the rest of the market. If SPY loses that level, we're gonna see the gap fill on SPY most likely. Come on, SPY, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Ooh, beautiful. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Anyone on IWM is also melting down. Beautiful, beautiful 210 reaction. I like how the Q is rejecting this little support here. Or resistance now. SPY needs to break down here. Meta reaction was perfect. Perfect. Okay, okay. You keep going. Beautiful, beautiful. If you guys want to trade SPY, you want to use this 544 level as a resistance. If SPY really reject that level, that's your trade to the downside or the gap. Yes, now we want to see this level acting as resistance here on SPY. So we have, that's the only way that I see SPY can have continuation to the downside. Well, it can bounce here and reject the VWAP also. Nvidia very weak. I like that reaction there. So far it's rejecting 544 SPY. Beautiful rejection there so far. 544 rejecting on SPY. Come on, I want to see continuation there. So far it's looking pretty good, that reaction. The Q is moving way faster than SPY. I think it's Nvidia. Nvidia's now it's like melting, really melting. Nvidia right now it's a little support pre-market, and then it will be 103. But I think the main one will be 103, 102. Ooh, beautiful. Look at the Q. The Q is so bearish. This is another trade that is perfect example of the class that I did on Friday. You have, we took shorts on the Q because the Q is on a downside. We waited until touch 8 resistance. I waited for a clear rejection candle, and then I waited for engulfing candles here. You have an engulfing candle here, broke the VWAP, buy. That class, and I think today I'm gonna cut it from the stream and put it as a new video here so it's easier for you guys to watch it. And I hope you guys can like it again and leave some comments if you want more videos like that. I want to see SPY rejecting here, 544. If it start acting as support again, I'm gonna get out and be done. Yeah, I want to see that reaction. I want to see a SPY react. Nah. Okay, I'm out. Out here. Out here. I'm done. Done. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. No, not today. Yeah, the class we did on Friday last week. I didn't like that bounce here on SPY. I don't like how it's holding 544. So we're done. Beautiful. Rejecting again, but I'm good. That was perfect trade, guys. It's looking good here, pretty good. So I did, let's see how much was this today. Oh, thank you for being here. Thank you guys for being here with me. Let's put this on Tradezilla and we're done. Pi still looks like it wants to fill the gap, but he's fighting too much there. Yeah, the stream is every morning from Monday till Thursday. Okay, let's put this on Tradezilla. Like I said before, I'm trading with 4 accounts from my funded futures, but one is an eval, the other 3 are PAs, are funded accounts. So I'm just gonna add 3 on Tradezilla, not 1, not 4. And I traded today with 4 PAs from Apex. So I'm gonna add 7 in total, 7 trades on Tradezilla. I need to change these. I'm just gonna put account 1, 2, 3 till 20. not Apex, because if I'm using less than 20 Apex accounts and I'm using my funded futures, so I can put both Apex and my funded futures together on Tradezilla. For here. And 7. $13K, over 13K for today. What do you think about it? Ooh, I like them. I haven't traded, so I'm trying with FTT, which is it's a kind of new pro firm that you don't need to pass eval. You just buy the funded account right away. A little bit more expensive, but I will pay for a funded account if I don't have to waste money passing an eval. So I would pay more for that. So I have no problem with that. The thing is, like, right now they don't have Trade08, so I have to use Rhythmic, and I haven't started really trading with those accounts. I think I need to get Quant Tower, where I can trade everything together, like every single prop firm that I have. I have Apex, my funded futures, and now FTT. So yeah, I need to change that. I might do it on Friday. So I do it on my own, so because it's gonna be my first time using Quant Tower, and first I need at least 1 day of practice. The volume, the background music is already very low. So this is the FTT fast tracking trading. That's the one that I'm gonna start using. That you don't need to pass an eval, you just go straight to funded accounts. I think right now they have a 49% off promo. I posted on my Discord, so you guys have the info on my Discord. Yeah, that's the thing. I use Tradovate, but most of traders that I see that trade futures use Rithmic. Also, Rithmic on Apex is way cheaper when it comes to paying the fees for the PAs. And now we have a really good break of this support, right? So now if the SPY really reacts here, that can be the next trade. I'm not gonna take it because no reason why for me to keep trading this, but that's the next one that I see. Yeah, that's the next one that I see. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Wait. It's... Sorry. It's this link. That's the link. Yeah, I think it's SPY's doing it. I think SPY's gonna go for it. And if that happens, the queue is just gonna keep melting. Yeah, definitely SPY is looking good here for that play. Any of you in that play? Who got it? Yeah, nice, nice. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I kind of want to take it, but I'm not going to. Because why is the stream late 20 seconds, 25 seconds? Because that's how YouTube works. Up 30%, nice. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, look at SPY. Definitely was playing business here, right? But yeah, looks like it's gonna go. $24 accounts on Apex, up 24k. Damn, baby. That's beautiful. Day like today is when we need to take advantage of the move. And then choppy days is when we know we need to be in and out fast, right? But if we have a trend with no reason to get out, at least on the queue, was a trade that I took. I had no reason to get out until later that we started seeing how SPY was really trying to hold here. And now on if you guys are on this SPY trade, you basically should be holding unless SPY breaks 544. But as Luna keeps making lower highs and lower lows, no reason to get out. Or at least until it breaks the trend also. That's another one. Or if it doesn't break your like highs and lows, right? You have a high here so far. You have one low here. And then let's see what's the next one. And if it keeps doing that again and again and again, there's no reason to get out of this trade. Yeah, it's looking okay. So this is what we have right now, right? We have the rejection here, possible gap fill, and then the stop loss is right there, that 544, and then we have this beautiful trade to the downside. What lines? If it is the green and red lines are support and resistance. The indicators is a VWAP. I also have the 9 EMA, but I don't really use it. So I pretty much only use the VWAP, which is the purple one. Okay guys, any charts that you want me to check it out? If you took these trades with me, you should be done already. No reason to keep trading. We had an amazing morning. Very quick trade, right? Not very quick trade, like very quick. I will say we didn't wait too much. We didn't have to wait too much for a good trade. At least I didn't. I'm noticing that my red trades are the ones that I take too early, like before 10. And my best trades are the ones that I'm taking around 10 a.m. 10 or after. The lesson was on Friday, not today. Yeah, it's an intraday. Look at the daily. That's an intraday. I still think, well, I don't know. SPY is sometimes a little bit weird when it comes to gaps. But the Q was perfection. I come here mornings. Most of the time is before the market open. I couldn't be here at that time today, but most of the time it's just a few minutes before the market opens, but from Monday to Thursday. But the easier way to know if I'm live or not, or if I post a new video, is subscribing to the channel, or just go to my Discord. Every time I post a new video, it's gonna be here, and you guys are gonna know that. So every time I post a new video, it's automatically posted here on my Discord. So you have the link for my Discord down below on this video description. So that's the easier way to know when I'm live. But yeah, I come here every morning from Monday to Thursday. Yeah, it's in my channel. I'm gonna post it tonight also. I'm gonna post that lesson tonight here on YouTube. I'm gonna cut it from the stream and make it into a new video, so you guys are gonna have it tonight or maybe around 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm checking Tesla, Microsoft, and Coin. Let's see. Okay, so let's go with Coin first. Damn. Okay, so we have clear support here. We're kinda where Coin is right now. These are clear rejection point. So right now it's too late to do anything here. It's either a rejection here. It's either you either want to wait for coin to go higher here and reject, or maybe all this, or just wait until it breaks this low. But so far everything looks like we're having an inside day, inside candle day, which means it's an inside the candle before, and it's gonna be a little bit choppy. Let's go to Microsoft. Oh, I need to clean this and see everything way better. I get freaked out when I have a bunch of stuff on my charts. I think I need to clean every single one of my charts. I have too many things. Okay, we have clear downtrend. We have support here. Clear 408 resistance. And that's it. Nothing to do there unless you break to either side. It's either breaking to the downside and then you have another little kind of resistance here. A little bit weird because you can have another resistance here also. But yeah, I think today it's an inside day, so it means we're not gonna have any continuation, most likely. You have resistance support there also. So yeah, you need to wait until it breaks here or breaks Friday's low. And that's it. Tesla. I must say, Microsoft looks like it was a very clean rejection on 408. Let's see how it looked. Yeah, look at that. Very clean rejection of 408. 408, 408.50. That was clean. Look at those wicks. Tesla. Now it's too late, guys. Very clean reaction also out of 220. We talked about the 220 level last week because when Tesla was doing this, I wanted to play the 220 to the upside, and then when Tesla did this, I said I want to wait until Tesla goes back down and holds 220 to play the upside continuation, which never happened. And now 220 is acting as resistance. So look at those wicks at the top. Very, very clean 220 reaction there. So yeah, not much. Look at this. This is very choppy. Very choppy. Nothing to do here. You have support. Support here. Clear support here. 210. And yeah, Tesla is not doing anything also. Another inside day, but in a very small range. Very small range. Most likely, if this Tesla, it's kind of reminding me of SPY last week. Look, we have SPY and the Q both. Mostly the Q. You have a big engulfing red candle, and then you have like 1 day of rejection. You have 2 days of rejecting, and then keep going lower, right? Tesla kind of looks like that, but who knows? So yeah, when you have an inside day, that's consolidation days. It's gonna be choppy, not much to do here. And ZM, Zoom. I remember when Zoom was like a $400 or $300 stock. Now it's only 40. Those were the days. What a move here. You have clear support here. Kind of what it is right now. Yeah. You have support there. And then you have big support here also. High resistance. And then nothing. You just need to wait and see if it's gonna bounce here. It could be a bull flag, but I would not take this as a bull flag unless I see a strong bounce here. Green day. I want to see at least one day like this. You want to see at least one good green day. Otherwise, it's just giving back the entire move. But yeah, very important level here. I will not trade this one to the upside unless I have 1 or 2 green days holding here. Nvidia, and that's it, guys. Nvidia, look at this mess. It's super messy. It's not doing anything. It's having an intraday type of intraday candle day. It's intraday choppiness. Yeah, it's a mess. Nvidia is a mess. Not much to do here. You just want to wait. Like if you close the day, like I will wait for Nvidia to close the day and see what it's really gonna do. Because you have, again, you have one big red candle and then you have 2 very ugly candles. Those candles are just bouncing after huge sell-off here. And then you have another red engulfing bearish candle. And then we maybe have an indecision candle, intraday candle, like not much to do today. At least not today. We're not having continuation to either side. So again, inside candle days are choppy days. Not much to do here on Nvidia. Look at this. This is very, very messy. Very messy. And if I clean up Nvidia and I only see what's happening to like the past few days, we can have a clean rejection level here. Clean support here. And then we have another clean support around here. All these. So yeah, not much here on Nvidia. And if you only see what is happening today, you have a support here and rejection here at the top and another rejection here. So Nvidia is moving in a very small range. And again, if you want to scalp, awesome. I will scalp here to the downside. But I will not trade this, to be honest. AbiBuy, and is that AbiBuy or Best Buy? Oh, Best Buy. Why are you trading these? Oh, because it's gapping up. Easy. You want to see it holding support. If it keeps holding that support, it's bullish. Why is Best Buy doing that? Because Best Buy, it's kind of moved like a meme coin, right? Yeah, like a meme stock, like meme penny stock or something like that. Oh, it had earnings. It had very good earnings. Yeah, you want to see it holding this little support here, but it barely moved. Like if you see, look at this candle here, it's very ugly. I would not trade this thing. Like at least today it's moving between $1 range. That's $1. That's nothing. I'm gonna go through IWM because I think IWM is a good one. Look at another inside candle. Beautiful, 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 very clean 210 reaction. So yeah, the next few days, tomorrow, for this week, very important to watch how IWM is gonna react again to 210, 212 also. What I would like to see is IWM going higher and making kind of like a bear flag. That will be perfect to play a bear flag here. Yeah, it is in liquid, so why trading that? One chart that I think is very interesting is AMD. Look at this daily chart, AMD daily chart. Very, very interesting here. I think I need to move these lower. Let me clean this out. Okay, way better. We have, you can say, kind of like a clean downtrend here. And it's clean channel. I will say it's a very clean channel. Right? Let's take out this because it's gonna look ugly. And then you have 131 support or 132 support. And then you have these little it looks like it's acting as resistance right now. Yeah, at least today acted as resistance. And then 138 also. Yeah, 138 also. Yep. Very clean downtrend here on AMD. So yeah, I think AMD, if we see bouncing, I don't think that's gonna happen. Well, maybe today, end of the day, who knows? But I think if AMD goes higher to 138 and rejects ugly there, I think it's a good entry to play the downside continuation. So doing this, I think I like that. Yeah, I like that on AMD. But yeah, that's it, guys. Very choppy right now. Let's see what's SPY doing. Yeah, very choppy. It doesn't want to fill the gap. Look at that. That's a big move. No continuation here. The Q was very clean. I will say the best trade today was the one we took. That was the cleanest one. That was the cleanest one. Yeah, because I don't see why SPY stopped here. Not a pre-market high. Well, maybe is these reactions here, but I like more this one because we can see how it reacted. 548 reacted as support in the past, and then support here, and then support here, and reaction. So I like more going higher to 548, 547.50, and then play the reaction there. But again, today we are having an inside day. It's choppy. So if let's just say I want to play this reaction, I will go in and out. It will be kind of like a quick scalp, just by looking how the market is reacting, is moving today. But that's it, guys. I'm done. I'll see you guys again mañana. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for being here with me. Adios.